Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move up. Move from there. Today, guys, we're here with Jahshii. Jahshii, keep up. Jahshii, keep up. So, Jahshii, I want them young artists to burn up the dancehall scene right now. Big up yourself, Jahshii. You see me? You deserve all of the glory we you get right now, my fam. You see me? For all of those that never believe in a Jahshii, Jahshii they are shame, you know. You see me? Jahshii they are shame, you know. On the field. On the field. Yeah, big up yourself. One more get to youth out of it. You see me? Big up yourself, Jahshii. You do it for yourself and your family and your brethren them. You see me? So let's do it. Let's go.
Been a dream about this 4 series parkside a 3 story.
You hear that? The man saying been a dream about that 4 series park beside a 3-story house. So the man a pre far, the man a pre that life there, he might work towards that lifestyle there. The boss I work towards that. The boss on the panel low lala thing. Like myself, all of those who think that Jahshii couldn't do it, Jahshii do it and a shame, you know. I wanna feel earth, big earth and little earth. Talk truth. Let's go.
On the balcony living like a real tourist. I reminisce on the days me never mean no dish. Don't see me out a smiling when I feel about it. Real glory. Nothing to see me, man, we do it so quick. Go round the G already know them want to be round me. About no press I start the whip and them speed out.
Bad bumbuckler artist. The man said them go around the G already know them want to be round me. Watch the word play, dog. Just pick sense out tight. It's simple enough, but it's complicated. If you don't know. Them go around the G already. Them style me already, them go around me already know them want to be around me because me a win. How you feel? Little earth or big earth? Talk no, man.
You see me out a smiling when I feel about it. Real glory. Nothing to see me, man, we do it so quick. Go round the G already know them want to be round me. About no press I start the whip and them speed out. Hard for them keep up. Me I go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young. Go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No.
When them say them song them a creep up, I'm not joke. Jahshii might drop a song today. And you don't like the song, but you see by next week and the week after, guarantee the song they're going to be in your playlist. I don't know. Jahshii just have that thing about him where, like, if you don't like me now, you're going to like me later. Because he's going to make you like him. He's going to make you rate him. Not like, rate. He's going to make you rate him and say, yo, they have to listen to Jahshii. Any party where you go, Jahshii song them a play. Any bus where you're driving, a Jahshii song them a play. Any radio station you listen to, Jahshii song them a play. So it not gonna do nothing to your brain than to make you register it. If you register it in your brain, so this is Jahshii song. If you go listen to it and put it on your phone to move your nastiness.
I start from zero. Bank account zero. And me I tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a nick up. Yeah, one good, no one's a fi run. Focus on me no slope on the front. Now go ever see soldier give up. I for hope me up, can't hope me down. Used to.
You hear that? Eh? But I feel hold me up. But you can't hold me down. So no matter what you try, you can't hold me down. No crabbing a barrel thing will run so now go work. No! You can't hold me down. You can't hold me up. No, you can't hold me down. You hold me up. On the first part of that term, so I have a mistake with it. But it's bad. Yeah!
Now go ever see soldier give up. I for hope me up, can't hope me down. Used to
bad artist.
Any so poor on the ground. Never wait for nobody for sure Jahshii out.
Me used to pour then. Now I end up me pour upon the ground. I be a double right yard. Like the boss, I use the metaphor them and the similes them in some different time of way, brother. You never hear before, dog. Simple, but you never hear them. That's the thing.
So keep your comment forward, me post a picture. Plus me in my vibe, me can't sober fi know them.
Keep your comment forward, me post a picture. So me know why here, we not know what you have to say. Type that, under my picture. Anything you want to say, just type it under my picture. Me know why here, what you have to say out your mouth. Move from there.
Likes it. We are on the road and we young. Nothing never regular when we portally no. Choppy never tell a lie and I totally so. From the phone you lift up, we are program it up. Tell us scream for the G, couple poor on the top. We are lead by a mile, it's a more than
We are lead from a mile. That is more than enough. That is more than enough. You know how long is a mile? For a person, for you and a person in our long distance race and the person the 1 mile in front of you, you can't catch up. All when him turn back, you still can't catch up. How you feel? Little earth or big earth? Drop a like on the video. It's free. It's free. Let's go.
No. It a go hard for them keep up. Me a go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No what me want, me a start from zero. Now my bank account zeros. And me a tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, me nick up. Self and not check cash, me no need you. Go get the cheese to myself and my team. Nobody at all, me no depend on for do it. No fool out, me no mentally weak.
Mentally strong.
Mentality. 25 years, me them expand the dream. Can't chat about the crap, I ain't mention the cream. Different quality from me enter the scene.
You can't chat about the crap, I ain't mention the cream. Remember, said Jahshii ever sang the cream of the crap. You see me? So you can't talk about the crap and mention the cream. Because he is the cream of the crap. That's what the boss I tell you. You see me? I love to see your dog them run him and have fun. You see me? Them everybody happy, everybody eat a food. You see me? Yeah, the boss is selfish, the boss do it for everybody ready around him. You see me? Yeah, get to it, them a smile. Love to see that.
Keep up, me a go hard and my song them a creep up.
Creep up.
For real a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No what me want, me a start from zero. Now my bank account zeros. And me a tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, me nick up.
Yeah. Mad. See that?
Youngest artist in a builders. Man a normal, no ramp with me.
Hear that? Man a normal. Ramp with him. Know that. Can I advertisement this? Alright, done. Yo, the man a normal. Ramp with him. You see me? The man a normal, no ramp with him. Big up yourself, Jahshii. You're here to stay, bro. Shame the pussy them. You see me? Yeah. Your dream come a reality now, bro. Yeah, live it. You see me? So if Jahshii do it, how much more ghetto you can do it? No found can do it, dad. Just focus, brother, and believe in yourself. Don't make people turn you away from your dream. My dream and your dream is different. You see me? Yeah. Jahshii lead them by a mile right now. I wanna feel. Little earth or big earth. This is what I'm gonna leave down there. If you enjoy the one, please leave a like. It's free! It's free! Leave a like on this video. You hear that? I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah?